just look up.
You don't even need to edit this picture, it already looks incredible. Good morning guys and welcome to day 19 of our travel daily vlog. We are still in Morocco in one of the most fancy and expensive restaurants called Anything at Airport. And in about an hour we have flight to France, Paris, so see you guys there. Yay, we made it to Paris.
And since we live close to Montmartre, this will be our first stop.
It's right there. I'm not sure if it's visible on the video, but we will walk there about 10 minutes and we're there. This is one of the most beautiful and one of the most creepy buildings in Paris, in my opinion. It's so huge and I like the colors, just wow. It's always very crowded place. Hundreds and thousands of tourists from all over the world came here because it's really a good viewpoint for whole Paris and the Basilica itself looks perfect. And also right here, this building behind the hill, if you'll turn your picture just a bit, you'll see very cool illusion. Let me show you. Now we're gonna go inside this Basilica, but we can't make... Oh no, we can make a video, but we need to be silent. So you'll see everything inside right now, guys. So this statue is from solid silver.
Duquel vous aurez la possibilité de recevoir la grâce de l'indulgence plénière. Le rendez-vous est à 17h à la chapelle de la Vierge, à l'arrière de la basilique.
Entrance to this basilica is free, which is not very common in Europe in such a beautiful and old cathedral, basilicas. So you can definitely go inside and see. It's beautiful inside, beautiful outside, as well as great panoramic view from this point.
In less than 20 minutes walk from this basilica, you can reach another iconic location, Moulin Rouge.
Now we're gonna try to find some spot to sit and eat our lunch. We get it from Too Good To Go service. Oh no, it's still red. We're criminal. And later on, when we'll find the spot to sit and eat, we'll see what's there. Because you never can choose whatever they give to you. You just get random stuff, but way more cheaper.
So how much did we pay for this?
€4 only.
And it should cost around 12? Or...
Yeah, it should be 12 or more. And we get a lot of eggs, some bouillon because it's bouillon service. We get some, I don't know, sausages or whatever, and something else here. It's pretty much for €4, yes. So enjoy.
It's a nice soup.
Okay.
Lots of
The
herbs.
soup is nice, but location even better. because over there is Moulin Rouge. And again, compared to Canada, compared to US, even in the weekday, in every European city, it's so busy, so crowded. A lot of people outside, a lot of tourists outside. It's way more nice than in Canada because you walk in there and sometimes you don't see any person for a few minutes, like in scary movie, you know.
Just look up.
You don't even need to edit this picture, it already looks incredible.
We came in another magical location, beautiful Louvre Museum.
But unfortunately, as I can see, all squares are fenced off and you can't go in there. Maybe it's just because of the night time or maybe something else, we're not sure. Normally you can go way more closer over there. And from here you can see the Eiffel Tower.
During evening or nighttime, you should definitely take a walk along the Seine River. As of our small tradition, we came here to show you another movie location that was filmed at this square. Movie calls Midnight in Paris.
And location is right here. Boom. As we can see, there is no street light on this sidewalk, so I'm not sure if they added in the post-production for the movie or they were here before and now they're gone, but everything else is completely matching. This is not our first time in France, and especially in Paris, and the last time when we've been here in 2022, the Notre was under construction after the fire, and about a year ago it was reopened to the public, so now you can walk around and admire it. Look on all these details.
그때는 이제 로마가 통치할 때여서 기독교가 이제 이단이니까 목을 잘랐다고 그쪽으로
Guys, day 19 is over. We're still in Paris tomorrow morning.
So we're gonna show you some cool places tomorrow as well. And for now, good night. Bye.